Hello friends and welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. Like previously we have done many of the videos related to JavaScript and we have covered five you can say parts of our JavaScript videos, and this is our sixth part of our JavaScript video in which we will be learning the basic tags of JavaScript and syntax. We will be now learning in this video what are the basic tags of JavaScript and what are the basic syntax with tags of JavaScript. So in this video I will be telling you all the basic tags which we use in JavaScript and which we mainly like used in many projects, like when we are building any website portfolios or clones. So we use these all tags to build our project. So we will be using these amazing things to build our project. So remember to see this video if you want to learn the basic tags and structures of JavaScript, and if you want to learn how to create basic syntax and tags using JavaScript. So hit the like to this video, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos. And also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things which we are doing through many amazing languages. And I'll be bringing up more languages tutorial in future which will be helpful for you. And in future we'll be covering up HTML CSS tutorial also, but previously I've built many of the videos related to that languages also. You can check that out, and in the future we will be bringing up more other languages with more other tutorials. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how we can build this amazing and how we can just use this amazing basic JavaScript tags in our projects. So like I've telling you, this is our sixth part of our JavaScript video in which we'll be learning what is basic JavaScript syntax and rules, and we will be learning basic syntax and rules of JavaScript, like how to write comments in JavaScript, what are the basic tags of JavaScript, and how to use basic syntax of JavaScript. So now we'll be starting and seeing all these things. So here now, here I will be opening my text editor which is called Sublime Text. So here I'll be opening this. You can see I've opened this text editor. Now when you've opened this, here we will be making one file with the name of index.html. Then here when you just make this file, but here I will be first of all building the file with the name of index.js, saving it on same location. Now we will be not working in browser, we will be first of all seeing how to work with JavaScript using these things. So here now we will be doing one thing else, like here I will be moving. Now we will be not opening browser because we have not make any of the HTML file. We will be only using JavaScript file, and we will be writing JavaScript code in this JavaScript file, and we will be just only learning how to use basic syntax and what are the rules of JavaScript. So now first of all we'll be learning about syntax, how to write syntax in JavaScript. First of all, for writing the syntax, here there are main syntax of JavaScript. This is console.log, which you all know because previously I've write this tag many times. So I think you all know about this tag, and this is console.log tag in which we write all these code. Like here, if you want to just print anything, like we use print tag in Python, so console.log is a print tag in JavaScript. So here now if you want to print anything, like if you want to write console.log, then if you print that, this is JavaScript. So here it will be printing the text, this is JavaScript in your browser or in your console. So here this is the main first tag which we can use in JavaScript. Then we will be moving down, and I have shown you this alert tag and this console.log tag in the Chrome developer tools when we were working with previous videos of developer tools of Google Chrome. So I've just used these tags and I've shown you what the difference was that and how that were working. So this is the alert tag which we will be using here. I will be now saying the alert like this: page is not found, like this. Now when you will be writing this, so it will be giving you the alert, this page is not found, and when you will be pressing OK, so the alert will be now gone. Then if you just want to write this error tag, so there are many different tags you can write here. This is one tag which is called error. When you will be writing this error tag, here you can write this thing which will be like error is found here. So it will be giving you error. Now this was some of the main tags which I want to tell you about JavaScript. Now here if you want to just see how to write comments in JavaScript, so you can just write the comments live. First of all I'll be moving at the top. Here I will be now writing the comment: this is console.log tag like print tag. Here you can write this. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, and then you can write here this. First of all write slash, and here you have to remember one thing: when you are writing comment in JavaScript, So we have to write these two slash here, which is really important, because if you don't write these two slash and if you just erase this, so it will be giving you error, you can see. So remember to write these two slash if you are writing any comment in JavaScript. So here now we will be writing two slash again, and here I will be writing this is alert tag, which is giving giving you warning, like this. Now here I will be moving down same, and then here I will be writing this is error tag, which is showing error, like this. Now these are the comments which you can write here with many different you can say many different tags. So here I'll be moving down, then here I'll be writing let. Then when you will be writing this let, here you can write let a. Then when you will be writing this, here I'll be writing is equals to. Then when you will be writing let a is equals to console, like this. Now when you will be writing this, so here you have to just do one thing. Here I'll be writing let a is equals to console. Then you have to move down, right here console.log. Then when you will be writing this let in this tag, so it will be printing this console here. So I will be writing this is let function to perform task, like this. Now when you've written this, here it will be showing you these all things, and you can work with this. Now like this you can write many different things here. So I will be taking this T capital. Then you can write here this is a console dot log tag. Okay, so here is this. So here you can move down, then you can just write a tag which should be like let. Then you can write here alert. Then you can write is equals to let here. Then move down, and here I will be now just moving down, then write here console.log again. And when you've written this, here you can write let to define this. So here I'll be writing this let tag is giving warning to you, like this. So here I'll be writing. Now when you've written this, so you can see this is showing that this let alert, and when you have written this let alert, so it is giving the thing, like it is saying this let tag is giving warning to you, means it is giving warning that don't do this thing again, or this thing is giving you error. So this was some of the main JavaScript tags and comments you can use. So this was the video which I want to tell you, and this was our video about how to work with JavaScript and what are the things important in JavaScript. And I hope you enjoy this video and you have learned things from this video. If you have learned things from this video and if you enjoy this video, so hit a like, because I will be bringing up more videos like that which will be helpful for you, and that will giving you help moving forward. And I hope you'll be enjoying this video also. So now I'll be bringing up more videos like that of JavaScript. Like this was our basic syntax and rules video which we have learned about JavaScript. So now we'll be meeting in next part of JavaScript tutorial. So for today, goodbye.